In this week's video, I share my $39 moneymaker haul from CVS and Ibotta. I load up on cereal plus so much more. Share the receipts and what I got. No clickbait here. Bottom line couponer. I get upset if I go to the store and I have to pay like $1 or $2 for my haul. I literally want to get out of that store paying nothing to less than $1. It doesn't matter how many items I get. That's what I want to do. When I did TLC's Extreme Couponing show, my haul was $638. I gave the coupons, paid $7, and got back a $10 in-store coupon. So therefore, I was paid $3 to take $600 and some worth of items. I loved it. I still do massive hauls every single week, and this week is no exception. 77 cents for $359 retail. Okay, that's retail. $359 worth of items I paid 77 cents for, and I got paid $39 to take them from the store. I earned $20 from CVS, a $20 extra care buck I got, as well as a $10 extra care buck. And I did Ibotta. I did the game deal with Ibotta, and I did the Kleenex deal with Ibotta. The Kleenex wipes, they were on a wonderful deal with Ibotta. So just with Ibotta money, I got like $9 back. So that's fantastic. I got $9. That's the same 77 cents I put out. I put out for my whole entire haul. And that's what I do, and that's what I love to do. So to me, it's just like a game, how low can I go? We have to plan always, it takes coupons. But the wonderful thing is, when the coupons come out in Sunday's paper, if you were going to just take those and run to the store with them, and use them, you probably save about 5 to 10%. You have to think in terms of the same thing with the coupon machine at CVS. I love to shop at CVS because they have some awesome deals, lots of savings. I kind of know their deals because I've been shopping over there for a long time. And it just makes it really easy when you start at CVS and you keep going. You can build a massive coupon haul with them very, very fast. You'll be giving away stuff. It'll be so much. You'll have to make room, if you just keep couponing at CVS. So the nice thing is my receipts reflected my deal this week. I had about 4 or 5 receipts. They were 0. Then I had the one that was for 77 cents. It was a fantastic shopping experience. I really enjoy it. So when you're thinking in terms of becoming a bottom line couponer, that means you're not going to go through that store and think you did something if you're spending $8 on your haul. If you're getting 5 or 6 items or 10 or 12 items, you spent $8, that's a failure. That's a failure. That is not extreme couponing, nor is that a bottom line couponer. I got 159 items, paid 77 cents for them, got back $39, which I can use for other deals. That's extreme couponing. That's how you do it. So the thing is, it's always good to check out every coupon that you can. I'm here in Pittsburgh, and I'm always seeing coupons on the ground. People just throw them away. It's like, and I'm like, why are you throwing that away? You're throwing away money. It's ridiculous. Yes, everything went smooth. I was able to, like I said, I picked up the cereal. I picked up cleaning items for the house. I picked up the laundry soap. I really love it when they have the sale on the laundry soaps. That helps out so much. But what I wasn't expecting this time was gain on Ibotta. I was not expecting that. I was not expecting the Kleenex tissues and the Kleenex wipes on Ibotta this week with the deal. You know, there was a deal on Gain that when you buy $30 worth of Gain, you're going to get a $10 reward back. And then there was Ibotta money that you could get. So that was just fantastic. You could get Ibotta money. You could get CVS money. There were coupons on the Gain. Some of you guys got the coupons in your local newspaper. We didn't in my area. But there were coupons, you know, on the CVS app. That helped out a little bit, not a lot, but they did help a little bit. So there was a lot going on this particular week. There's a lot there. You know, we're in the back to school now, so there's so many cereal deals. There's still cereal deals on Post cereal. Now the Kellogg's, they took that off, but there's still Ibotta deals on Post cereal, which is fantastic if you happen to have some ECBs to roll into that so that you can get out of store paying $0, turn it into a money maker. It's fantastic to do that. So I had my family helping me bring my haul in from the car. My husband helped, my son helped. I set up everything so that everybody could get a good look at what I got. I'm always excited when I come back and I don't have to spend that much money. That enables me to be ahead $359. So to date, I have purchased my receipt. My CVS receipt shows that I have already saved $37,000. That's my savings thus far this year. And we're only halfway into the year. So I probably put out financially maybe $5 to reach that level. Every season, you know, when we get that little kickback, that 2% back from CVS, the amount that they give me back is probably $1 or $2 because they give back to you according to how much you put out. So I don't even put out that much. Okay, so my little ECB is very low, and that's what I love. You know, it's all good. You know, because I would rather not have to pay anything for my haul. You know, so this was another successful, massive coupon haul. This is my week's haul. This is what I was talking about, being able to load up for free. So I have the receipts here, and here's an extra care buck. This is an extra care buck that I got, $10. There's 20. There's a $20 ECB right there. So just to let you guys know, I kind of want you to see the receipt and the date, okay? I'm going to fold my numbers down so we don't have that. But this is July 23rd. There's 0. This is July 22nd. There's 0. Zero, July 24th. There's my 77 that I sent. 77 cents. That was on the 21st. This is 0, July, and that's, I can edit that out. Okay, so here's 0. This is the 24th, excuse me. There's 0. So there we have it. There are the receipts to prove that this is my haul that I did this week. This is my massive haul that I did this week. The retail value on everything here is $359. That's counting whatever CVS counts, you know, as they say you saved. That's the value. So let's kind of go over everything that I got. So I've got I got 3 alls. These were, drop that one. These were free because these were $4.99. It said, and then it said take off $5. So these were free, as you know. When I say free, but I mean, you know, that there was a deal where there was a tag and it stated these were $4.99, and then it said take off $5. I did the extreme deal, Skintimate. I've got several of these here, about 4 or 5 of those. Physicians Formula, Almay, Irish Spring. There's lots of Dial body wash. I did the game deal. So when I did my game deal, so I got 3 of those gains. I got 4 of the Gain dryer sheets, and then I got 2 of the Gain liquids. I got $4 back on the Gain products from Ibotta. So in addition to the $30 that I got back from me rolling in my rewards, in addition to the $30 that I got from CVS on the extra care, I got $4 back on Ibotta when I did the Gain deal, because, you know, this week they have a promotion going on with Gain. So in essence, all of these items were 77 cents, and I was paid $34 to take all of it. Because like I said, I got the $4 back in the Gain. I got the $10 back on the ECB. And then the $20 back. So in addition to what I showed you, I also did the Kleenex deal several times. So I got 5 of these, and I got $2.50 off of here. I also got the Kleenex tissues. I did the Ibotta deal on the Kleenex wipes. I did the Ibotta deal on the tissues several times. So in addition to the $4 that I got back off the Gain, I got $5 back on the Kleenex items from Ibotta. So now, instead of just being at $34, we are at $39 back to take all of this stuff. $39 back, paid 77 cents for all these items, and got $39 back from Ibotta and CVS. There's the Colgate toothpaste over here. There's lots of Wet n Wild. I did the toothbrush. I have lots of cereal, Cheerios, as well as Cinnamon Toast Crunch. There's Cocoa Puffs. Lots of Snuggles. So I have the Snuggles dryer sheets as well as the Snuggles fabric softener. I want to show you that I did the soft soap deal. Colgate mouthwash. And the Edge. So everything totaled up that I purchased this week already. 151 items.